Welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how can you access your camera for your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Settings app. Firstly, you need to open your setting application, and after opening the application, you can see this app setting here. Just simply click there. Step 2. Go to Permissions. Now after coming to the app settings, you just simply have to click into this permissions option here. Now after opening the permission, just simply select the camera. Step 3. Allow the camera access for Snapchat. Now after coming to the camera permissions, you just simply have to find your Snapchat app, and after finding the Snapchat app, you can see if your camera permission for Snapchat is open or closed. You just simply have to enable the option if it's closed. Now after doing this, you can access your camera to click any of snaps into your Snapchat. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.